All right, this is the 2018 Ford Fiesta. Can you please give me a like right down there? Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. All right, now today I'm going to go over how to control the side view mirrors. As you can see, you have a side view mirror on the right hand side and a side view mirror on the left hand side. Now, to control the side view mirrors, there's a switch by where the door opener handle is right here. Okay, so right here. This is the switch to control the side view mirrors. Currently, it is directed towards the driver's side view mirror to have control. But you can also put it in the middle, that's neutral, that where you can't control either, and then the passenger side. Okay, so now it's in the passenger side, right here where I can control the passenger side, right? It's turned that way. I can just move this joystick and it will adjust the side view mirror. As you can see, it's adjusting the side view mirror on the passenger side. Now, if I want to control the driver's side, I just simply turn it all the way that way, and look, it's controlling the driver's side view mirror. That's how you control the side view mirror on the 2018 Ford Fiesta. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.